What are you doing?
All right, this is an amazing little car. It doesn't get stuck. So wherever it's at, and it's super fast. You know, so kids can play with it, and it just bounces around, and it's super fast. And then it comes with 2 batteries. You can flip around in a circle. You can climb things. Oh, it's great for any kid, because you never get into a situation where you can't do something. You don't get stuck, it just keeps going. So it's a great little toy. I think it's great for anyone.
Alrighty, this is a little remote control car that I'd gotten for my grandson. And I specifically got this one because it's designed for smaller kids. And since he's only about 5, this is perfect because it's designed for those size hands and everything. But the main thing is it comes with everything, number one. These are for the controller and these batteries are for the car. But you see his little screwdriver here? Unless you've got a set of jeweler screwdrivers, you don't want to lose this because you need this to get into the battery compartment because they don't want little kids to get in there. So remember that. Hold on to this. Okay. I'm going to get a tripod and I will see if I can show you how to install these batteries here. And then we'll take it outside and play with it a little bit. Okay. Let's see if we can get these batteries installed. One of the reasons I like this also, since it is designed for small kids, is this is one of these flipping. You see these little wheels on the side, and these basically it can flip over. It's going to be next to impossible to get it stuck in something, although I'm sure he will be able to accomplish it, but still. Okay. Now, let's see if we can get this plugged in. There we go. Okay, that gets that installed. Now these I've already done basically same deal. You unscrew the screw, open it up, install the batteries, screw it back together. So I gave you an extra one so you can be charging one while the other one is being used. And let me make sure you understand, fully charge both these batteries before you get started, because I don't know about yours, but these were not fully charged by any means. So I charged each one of them about 2 to 3 hours. The little charger that comes with it, this turns red when you plug it up, and when it's fully charged it just turns off. So there you go. Let's see what it will do here. Okay, first of all, the on off switch is right there, and you can see it lights up. Cool. Okay, turn this on. Okay, we're not going to play with it a whole lot here. We're going to take it outside, so hang with me. Okay, one of the things I didn't think about was trying to drive this thing while holding the camera, which is kind of hard, so you'll have to bear with me a little bit here. As you can see, it don't get stuck. He's gonna love this. Okay, now that you've seen a little bit of what it'll do, this thing, you can play all day because basically in the time it would take him to run one battery down, you can keep the other one charging and just keep swapping them out. So, hey, this is 5 stars. And for the price, it's a steal. So, he's going to love it. I think I'm going to save it for his birthday, which is coming up pretty soon. I was just going to give it to him, but I think I'll save myself for a gift here. So, 5 stars, great product. Can't get stuck. I did a lot more than what you saw in the video, and it never did get stuck. So, again, 5 stars, great product, great price. Kids will love it. It's designed for around 6 years old, 4 to 6, 4 to 8, something like that.
Doesn't go in when it gets hung.
It's hard to figure out which way is the front. There it is.
Hit the wall with it.
Huh?
Hit the wall with it. The kids are having fun doing that.